5 game dev tricks to impress your crush. Tip number 1. If you're in Krita, which is a open source and free software for drawing and art, and you make a canvas here, let me make 32 by 32. If you go to view and then wrap around, you can make seamless textures very easily, and this is very good. Over here on the bottom right, you can also turn on show grid to see where the original canvas is. On the left-hand side, you can open up brush categories. Krita has a lot of very good default pixel brushes under pixel art for just dithering and drawing. Yeah, you can make any texture repeat as long as you want it to, and it's very easy to make like a grass texture or something else. Tip number 2. Here I have a mentally not so well off Mario that I do not want to rig manually because it takes a lot of effort and I'm lazy. I can upload him to Mixamo, which will automatically rig him for me. And I can do all these cool animations with him by default. Ooh! Once I have downloaded that FBX file, I can open it back up in Blender. And then using the Mixamo add-on, which you can install by going to Edit, Preferences, into Add-ons, hit Install, which will open up your File Explorer. And then install it from here. Link in the description for the add-on, and then you can enable it here just by searching for Mixamo rig. Install that, and then when you select the rig and go to the Mixamo tab over here on the side, you can hit Create Control Rig, and then OK. This will make a smart rig that makes your character a lot easier to control. It will automatically bend the limbs the way you want. Tip number 3. Trusting your hard drive is a quick way to make you hard and your life even harder. Do not believe in it. You should always have your project backed up onto a repository. It is not worth risking losing like months or years of progress if a hard drive fails. I actually had that happen, but I had luckily a build that was a bit out of date stored somewhere on a flash drive one time, so I only lost a little bit of work. But don't be like me. Learn from your mistakes and make sure that you always have it on a repository. You can also download a program like Crystal Disk Info to track the health of your hard drive to make sure you're not about to lose everything. It comes with anime waifu editions as well. Very cool. Tip number 4. Make sure you quit your day job and become a full-time game developer. I used to work at Guitar Center and collect disability from the government. Maybe don't actually quit your day job, but you may, or maybe do. It's up to you. It's really a hard call. Tip number 5. Make sure your character is recognizable from their silhouette alone or something. Like Melvin from DreamWorks Penguins of Madagascar.